Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, ma.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I've worked in a hotel. I worked in Bella restaurants in Nigeria as a waitress. I also worked in Hilton restaurants as a customer service officer.
Can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while in that job?
Yes, I greet them with a warm smile. I maintain customer relationship. I make sure I answer to the questions. I make sure I handle the handle difficulties that I'm capable of handling
Why you decided not to continue your contract?
with the restaurant. Yes, the work there is too hectic. I prefer staying in household, taking care of children,
How much salary are you looking for?
like 1,500 salary.
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting.
I like taking care of baby very well.
What type of food can you cook?
I can cook, mostly I can cook African food. It's African food I can cook, and I can learn with this.
What experience do you have in babysitting?
I have experience because in my church, I'm a Christian. In my church, I take care of children. I'm in children department. My church, I take care of children, and in my national youth service, I teach for 1 year.
How do you know if the baby is sick?
Yes, I will know if the baby is sick because when you're handling children, you understand them. When the children change it, you know that something is wrong with this baby. Maybe he's sick or probably something is wrong with him. Then that's when you know because you understand the baby you are taking care of.
What is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
Make sure I sing and also to calm the baby down. I'm good in singing for baby. So I sing and bring the baby down.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading, traveling, singing, meeting people.
How long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
Mm, I just want to work in UAE for some time and go back for like 4 years, and I go back to my home country.
Okay. Why do you think you should be a good full-time housemate to your new employer?
I know I have a calm character, so I work very well because I have a calm character. I know I can adapt in any situation.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.